Hey everybody, this is Mike from Nerdient, and I just wanted to do a quick little review of a battery case for my Pixel. This is the original Pixel, not the Pixel XL, not the Pixel 2, but the original Pixel. And so, I've been using it a lot during the day lately, and so my battery hasn't been lasting all day long. There's nothing to do really with the battery in the Pixel. I'm doing a lot on my phone during the day, and so I don't really want to have to recharge it one or two times during the day. So I decided to get a charger for the Pixel, and I chose the Brexlink battery case charger. And so using this thing is real super easy. So here's my Pixel, and all you have to do is slide the phone in like that. Put the top on, and you're good to go. So, what's really nice about this is it also has the USB-C on the bottom, just like the Pixel. So you don't have to buy any new cords or chargers, and it works with the fast charging system that comes with the Pixel originally. And so when it's charging, what it'll do, you plug it in just like you're going to charge it overnight. And the first thing it'll do is charge the phone, and once the phone is charged, it'll go to charging the battery on here. And so during the day, what I usually do is it gets down around 30%. All you gotta do is on the back, press and hold, and the battery charger turns on, and it'll charge it back up to 100%. And once it gets to 100%, it'll automatically turn off. Or let's say you only want to charge it to, for some reason, to 75% or something like that, you can just turn it on in the back. So, and then, yeah, so if you want to, you can just turn it right off, just like that, and the battery charger is off. And you have the LEDs down there to indicate whether it's charging or not and how much charge is left in the supplemental battery. So, for me, it's been great. It easily, you can go down to almost zero, use it, and it'll charge it right back up to full and still have a little bit of battery left. And the retail is $50, so it's actually a really good deal. So the one thing it is, it's not sort of like what I would say a pass-through USB port. So in other words, let's say you want to hook this up to your computer for some reason to get media files off, you'll have to take it out of the case because it's not a pass-through. So for instance, when I'm using it on my drone, I have a Parrot Bebop 2, and I mount my phone right to the controller. I have to take the case off to use it. Really not a big deal. Disassemble is... One thing about that is it's a little tough to get that top off. So you gotta just kind of mess it a little bit. But once you do that, it gets the top off, slide the phone off, you're good to go. So, it's a little hard to get out, but I actually kind of like that because I know it's not going to go flying out on me just during normal use. But you got to give it a pretty strong tug to get it apart. On the back, plenty of openings for the fingerprint reader and the cameras. And it feels really natural to use the unlock with it. It doesn't feel like you're pushing it way into a void or anything like that. So, really comfortable. And they also make phone cases for more than just the Pixel 2. So, if you go to their website, Brexlink, you can see they have it pretty much for all the newer top-end phones. You got your Note 8 and your Galaxy S8, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, and the iPhone X. So, even if you don't have the Pixel and you're looking for a good case, I think I can highly recommend this company. I've had no problems with it. It was really affordable. I think the design is pretty nice. Anytime you add a battery, it's going to add quite a bit of bulk, obviously. But this one, you really don't feel it. I got used to the size and the bulk really quick. It still fits in my pocket without any problem, stuff like that. And it really solves the problem that I had, which is my battery was running out during the day. And it's super easy to use. So, yeah. So that's it. If you're looking for a battery case for your Pixel or some of the other high-end top phones, I can't recommend enough Brexlink. Very happy with the product, and they're pretty affordable too. Alright, that's it. Until next time, everybody have a great day.